Welcome to the Learn Computer Technology. This is the part 3 of PetaSAN tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will learn about adding more nodes to an existing cluster. Create CIFS Share and add files to it. For this, we need to move to the Proxmox. Create VM with name PSPC04 in similar way as we done earlier. Assign hard disk of 64 GB, 1 CPU and memory of 2 GB. Add one additional hard disk of 60 GB. Start the VM PSPC04 and select Console. Select Agree and click Next. Type hostname as PSPC04. Select Network Interface, ETH0. Assign IP as 192.168.1.154. It should be in same subnet. And gateway as same as for previous node. Click Next. Select the disk, SDA, of 64 GB. And click Next. Choose your country code time zone as IN for India. Click Next. Verify your installation summary and click Next. Click Yes and proceed. Installation is in progress. Wait for a while. Installation is succeeded. Click Reboot. Now PetaSAN has been installed at node PSPC04. Deployment wizard URL for this node is http://192.168.1.154:5001. To open wizard, type this URL in new tab. To add this node to cluster, select Join Existing Node and click Next. We are joining the same cluster, so the management node IP is 192.168.1.151. Enter the same cluster password and click Next. PSPC04 joined the cluster. Learn Computer Tech successfully. Enter node backend IP as 192.168.11.154 and click Next. Select Disk, SDB, and select Usage as OSD. Check the CIFS service. Here is a warning related to backfill speed. For rebalancing the storage, it will take some time. Navigate to Dashboard, go to Maintenance, and click Backfill Speed, and click Next. You can reset the backfill speed. Choose backfill speed as medium and click Set. Go to the Wizard tab. To proceed, click Next. Navigate to Dashboard to check the status. Now, here is showing, total is 4, out of them, 3 are up, and 1 is down. Please wait for a moment, it is in process. Node deployment completed successfully. Now the node is added to the cluster and now ready to use. You can check in Dashboard. Here, total and up, both are set to 4. OSD and storage information has updated. Let's navigate to CIFS status. Here, the node PSPC04 is still down and having no assigned IP. Let's check the node list. Go to the Manage Nodes, select Nodes list. Here, you can see that the type of this added node is storage, while all previous nodes created during creation of cluster are of management type. Here the status of PSPC04 node is up. Now navigate to Configuration and select CIFS setting. Here we will extend the public IP range, so that some IP will assign to this additional node PSPC04. Here I extend this range to 170. And click Save. Now, CIFS base settings saved successfully. Let's again we move to CIFS status. Now here we can see that some IPs have been assigned to this added node PSPC04. Go to Nodes list. Here the list is updated and all nodes are active. Let's move to Dashboard to see the changes. Now Ceph health is OK. OSD usage and storage, both have updated, and all nodes are up. You can view the chart for node PSPC04 also. Let's create CIFS Share again. Go to CIFS Shares. Click Add CIFS Share. Type a name for share. And click Save. Now, CIFS named LCT Data 1-inch created. To see this shared folder, go to the File Explorer and specify path as /PetaSAN. Here another shared folder, LCT Data 1, is present. Right-click on it. Select Map Network Drive. And click Finish. Now this drive shows here. Double-click to open it. Let's create a text file, and assign a file name as added fourth node. Open it and write something. In this way we have added fourth node to our PetaSAN clusters. Thanks for watching. Close the file. Paste some more files here. Let's move to our PetaSAN dashboard. Now you can see that OSD usage and storage information has been changed. Let's again add one more node to an existing cluster. Move to the Proxmox and create VM with name PSPC05 in similar way as we have done earlier. Assign hard disk of 64 GB, 1 CPU and memory as of 2 GB. Add one additional hard disk of 60 GB. Start the VM PSPC05 and select Console. Select Agree and click Next. Type hostname as PSPC05. Select Network Interface, ETH0. Assign IP as 192.168.1.155. And gateway as same as for previous nodes. Click Next. Select the disk, SDA, of 64 GB size. And click Next. Choose your country code time zone. As IN for India. Click Next. Verify your installation summary, and click Next. Click Yes, and proceed. Installation of PetaSAN at 5th node PSPC05 is in progress. Installation succeeded. And click Reboot. PetaSAN has been installed at node PSPC05. Deployment wizard URL for this node is http://192.168.1.155:5001. To add this node to cluster, select Join existing node, and click Next. Enter management node IP as 192.168.1.151. Enter the same cluster password, and click Next. PSPC05 joined the cluster. Learn computer tech successfully. Enter node backend IP as 192.168.11.155. And click Next. Select disk, SDB, and specify usage as OSD. Check the CIFS service. Now we are getting the warning related to backfill speed. Navigate to Dashboard, go to Maintenance, and click Backfill Speed. Choose backfill speed as slow, and click Set. As backfill speed sets, to proceed click Next. Please wait for a moment, it is in process. Now, node deployment completed successfully. Navigate to Dashboard. Here total OSD is 5, and 5 are up. OSD usage and storage information has updated. Let's navigate to CIFS status. Here, the status of node PSPC01 is shows as down and with no assigned IP. So, what to do now? Yes, we need to increase the public IP range. For this, navigate to Configuration, and select CIFS setting. Extend the public IP range to 175. And click Save. Navigate to Dashboard to see the changes and updates. Let's check the node list. Go to Manage Nodes, select Nodes List. Here, you can see that the type of this node is also as storage type. All 3 nodes created during cluster creation are of management type, while these 2 added nodes are of storage type. The status of all nodes is up. Let's check the CIFS status. You can check other option at PetaSAN dashboard and see the information about all 5 nodes. Navigate to CIFS Share. Add CIFS Share with name, LCT Data 2 and click Save. It's created now. Go to the File Explorer and navigate to PetaSAN. Here another shared folder, LCT Data 2, is present. Right-click on it. Select Map Network Drive. And click Finish. Paste some files here. Navigate to PetaSAN dashboard to watch the changes. Here, you can find updated OSD usage and storage information. Now we have done with this tutorial. Hope you have learned and understand the topic. Please like, share, subscribe and express your views in comment for our motivation. Thanks for watching.